Sneaking in an evening yoga practice can be challenging. Chances are you want to collapse and distract yourself from the day ahead. In this evening yoga practice, you'll allow yourself to simply slow down and tune into your body and your breath. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we'll talk about a few asanas that can make you feel more balanced as a whole and rejuvenate yourself. Coming on to the first pose, which is supported child's pose or supported balasana. Start by coming into a tabletop position with your shoulders over your wrist and your knees under your hips. Now bring your big toes to touch and your knees the width of the mat. Sit back on your heels. Place the bolster between your inner thighs and fold forward. Rest in this position for 5 to 8 minutes. The next pose is Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. Start by lying on your belly with your palms next to your chest. Fingers are well spread and elbows pointing up. Forehead or the chin is on the floor to begin with. Legs can either be together or apart. Inhale, gently roll back your shoulders and lift your chest off the ground with the support of your hands. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds depending on your comfort level. Breathe out as you drop your chest back on the mat to lay flat. Relax in this position while taking a few deep breaths. Repeat this at least 5 times, relaxing for 10 seconds between each round. Coming down to the last pose, supported butterfly pose or supported Baddha Konasana. Start by sitting up tall and bend your knees, placing the soles of your feet on the mat. Let your knees fall out to each side and allow the soles of your feet to come together. Support your knees with blocks or a pillow if they are lifted above the hips. Place a bolster behind you and lie down on the back, keeping the neck straight. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes. All these postures have something in common: relaxation. Perfect to practice at the end of your day or even when you're taking a break. These asanas help relax and rejuvenate your system. Think of this routine as refilling your energy. Yoga creates a pathway of circulation and openness in our bodies. Every day, your body is craving for a good stretch. We hope this routine works for you and makes you feel good and energized. Make sure to consult your medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do you think practicing yoga every day can make you feel happy and healthy? Do share your thoughts on this with us and keep watching this space for more such content.